In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your password on Slack. Whether you've forgotten your password or just want to update it to something more secure, I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can follow along easily. First, open Slack on your computer. You can use either the desktop app or the web browser version. The steps are the same. Once Slack is open, look for your profile picture. Depending on your layout and the version you're using, this will usually be in the top right corner of the screen on desktop or in the bottom left corner in some layouts. It's the small circular icon that represents your account. Click on your profile picture. This will open a small menu with several options related to your profile and settings. From this menu, choose the option labeled Profile. This will bring up a panel showing your profile details, like your name, display name, and other account information. On your profile panel, look for the More icon. This is typically represented by 3 dots. Click on those 3 dots to open an additional menu. In that menu, select Account Settings. Slack may open this in a new tab in your browser, even if you're using the desktop app, because account settings are managed on the web. Once your account settings page loads, scroll until you find the section labeled Password. You might see only a preview of this section at first. To see more options, click on the button or link that allows you to expand this section. This will reveal the available ways to reset or change your password. Here, you'll see 2 main options. The first option is to reset your password by email. Choose this if you don't remember your current password. Slack will send a password reset link to the email address associated with your account. Open your email, click the link, and follow the instructions there to create a new password. The second option is to change your password instantly by entering your current password and then your new password. Use this if you're already logged in and simply want to update your password for security reasons. Make sure your new password is strong, using a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid reusing passwords from other accounts. Once you've completed your chosen option, your Slack password will be updated and you're all set.